Hi, I'm Steve. I live in our home here with my wife, my two boys and our little dog Rosie. Knowing that we wanted to go down the self-sufficient route, or as much as we could, solar panels for us just seemed like the right decision to make, both environmentally but also cost saving as well for the house. We've got a south-facing roof, so we thought we had an ideal opportunity with our house to have the full benefit of a solar panel array. We have noticed that has already given us a benefit, and we've only had it installed for a month. What was important to us when we had the solar panels installed was the payback period, because it does come down to cost at the end of the day. So when Scottish Power gave us the initial quote of how long the payback period would be, I couldn't believe it. So I thought, okay, Scottish Power, good brand. So we hit the button. And then I thought, what else might they do? And they do EV chargers as well. And we were in the process of buying an EV car. So we thought, let's have a look at that too. And it worked out really well, and we decided to place an order. The main benefit of having the home charger fitted to the house has been the reduction in running costs. We don't have to go to a petrol station anymore, don't have to fill up with fuel. It's as simple as plugging the car in, setting the time on the app, and in the morning she's fully charged. Couldn't be any simpler. Our experience with dealing with Scottish Power has been a really positive one. We wanted solar panels, we wanted a home charger, but we also wanted flexible tariffs, and they provide those. And it was literally a seamless one-stop shop experience from start to finish.